So are you looking to get some independent welding classes? We are having them at the shipping container conversion. Check out the website at www.HogOn2017.com. That's www.HogOn2017.com. We sell them by the block, so it's cheaper if you get a block. An 8-hour block is $150, and you can set up the block in different times, so you don't have to do it all in one setting. You can actually change and pick what setting, how many days you want to do, like Wednesday, Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever. So our goal is to help you gain your independence. We are teaching stick and flux core welding, MIG welding, and we're going to help you get certified. We're going to help you build your career. So if you need to get some hands-on experience, give us a call or visit the website at www.HogOn2017.com.